Hello everyone. Today we will talk about hemorrhoid. Hemorrhoid or vascular structure in anal canal, and it become disease when there is a swelling or inflammation in this vascular structure. It is the leading cause of anal bleeding and the occurrence rate of piles is approximately 4.4%. It is mostly seen between the age of 30 to 65 year and incidence is equal in both the sexes, either it is male or female. Now, what is dentate line? Dentate line is also called pectinate line. It is a line which divides the whole anal canal in upper two-third and lower one-third. So, depending upon the location of hemorrhoid or dentate line, the hemorrhoids are divided into internal hemorrhoid and external hemorrhoid. If the hemorrhoid occurs above the dentate line, it is called internal hemorrhoid. And if the hemorrhoid occurs below the dentate line, it is called external hemorrhoid. Now the internal hemorrhoid is covered with pain insensitive anorectal mucosa. So it is painless, and external hemorrhoid covered with sensitive anoderm. This is a sensitive anoderm, so it is very painful. There are four grading of internal hemorrhoid. In first degree, hemorrhoid are painless, bleeding but without prolapse. In second degree, there is prolapse through anal canal on straining but reduce spontaneously. In third degree, there is a prolapse through anal canal but require manual reduction by the patient. But in the fourth degree, there is the permanent prolapsed and it cannot be reduced. If we talk about cause of primary hemorrhoid, then the standing posture is the first one. Man's upright posture and absence of wall in the portal system cause hemorrhoid. That's why we never listen any animals have developed piles. Hemorrhoidal thin veins are the second most common cause. Because it passes through the rectal mucosa, they get continuously compressed due to the contraction caused by rectal mucosa during the act of defecation. It becomes swollen and inflamed, hence cause piles. Genetic and familial factors like absence of wall, congenital weakness of the vessel wall, diet deficient in the fibers, and last cause is the weight of blood column because there is no walls found in the superior rectal vein, hence it cause more congestion and cause piles. And the last and final cause is idiopathic. Secondary piles occurs due to complication of other disease like carcinoma of rectum, portal hypertension, or due to any other cause like pregnancy. In pregnancy, there is release of lot of progesterone which relax smooth muscle in the wall of vein in the rectum which cause piles. Pregnancy also increase intra-abdominal pressure and pressure in anal canal which cause a temporary piles which get auto-correct after the pregnancy. Clinical features are bright red and fresh bleeding which occurs during defecation. Mass per annum, it feels like something coming and going back. A mucoid discharge. Pruritus which means itching. Pain may be due to prolapse, infection or spasm, and anemia which is secondary due to the excessive bleeding. For investigation purpose, we go for flexible sigmoidoscopy and proctoscopy. Proctoscopy is made up of two parts. The first one is proctoscope and the second is obturator. As the obturator is removed, piles prolapse into the lumen of proctoscope as cherry red mass. Sigmoidoscopy and proctoscopy are done to rule out proximal cancer and any other cause of bleeding per rectum. Now, by proctoscopy, exact position of piles can be made out as it bulge in the proctoscope. And if you go for inspection, then prolapse piles can be visualized. Now, other cause of bleeding from the anus are like rectal carcinoma, fissure and fistula, polypus diverticulitis, ulcerative colitis, intussusception, amoebic colitis, rectal prolapse, perennial warts, and any gynecological condition in the female. So these conditions should be carefully differentially diagnosed from the hemorrhoid. Management is indicated in grade 1 and grade 2 piles which are not causing much bleeding and discomfort. So the management abbreviations are like fiber. Fiber, F for fiber supplement, I for increased fluid intake, bulk purgative laxative like isabgol husk. Reading in toilet should be discouraged and encouraged to lose weight. Sit bath is most important management of piles patient. It is in a container in which warm water should be placed and the patient has to sit in warm water with the anal region dipped in water for 20 minutes and it should be performed 2 to 3 times a day. Actually this reduces edema, pain and that's why it promotes healing. Metronidazole is most important agent in reducing pain after the surgery of hemorrhoid. In operative treatment, we may go for hemorrhoidectomy, which is the removal of hemorrhoid. Basically, it is indicated in grade 2 and grade 3 hemorrhoid and done by either open, closed or stapler method. The next method is cryosurgery, which consists of application of liquid nitrogen at minus 196 degrees Celsius. So it frees the piles and it is very painful, and the main drawback is watery discharge. The next method is photocoagulation, in which infrared radiation is applied, and it is very effective and painless method. The next method is stapler hemorrhoidopexy. Elastic band ligation is another method in which hemorrhoidal tissue above 1 to 2 cm of dentate line is grasped and put into the barrel of elastic band, cause ischemia of tissue, and after 1 week it automatically slough away and leave scars. Injection sclerotherapy. Sclerotherapy is a form of treatment where a doctor inject medicine into blood or lymph vessel that cause them to shrink. So about 1 to 2 ml of sclerosant is injected into loose submucosal connective tissue, which cause inflammation and scarring. Chronic secondary anemia is most common complication of hemorrhoid. A prolapse outside present with the severe pain. So to prevent prolapse, piles gripped by internal sphincter results in venous congestion and edema followed by strangulation. Ulceration and secondary infection, thrombosis, fibrosis, gangrene and strangulation are some common complications of the hemorrhoids. There are some post-operative complications like retention of urine, which is the most common in men, reactionary hemorrhage and wound infection, anal stenosis and fissure, cancer. There are seen that mostly hemorrhoid are recurrent, so it is also a best complication of the hemorrhoid. Pain occurs due to the spasm, nerve irritation, muscle injury, strangulation in which piles is being gripped by anal sphincter, thrombosis, piles appear dark, purple, black and feels solid and tender, ulceration, gangrene, fibrosis, separation leads to the perianal or submucosal abscess. Thank you.